In this video, you'll learn how to raise a DAO proposal in the RAMP platform. Now you're looking at the DAO proposal page. Connect your wallet first so that you are able to raise a proposal. On the left-hand side of the page, click on New Proposal. Write your proposal title, then elaborate. Type in your options for others to vote, select a voting setting and lastly end date. The proposal would require a minimum of 50 words. Now click on Publish. And that's it. You've successfully raised a DAO proposal. Now see how you can vote for a proposal. A proposal would be implemented when it is voted on by a majority of stakeholders and after meeting quorum requirements, or fulfills some other rules set in the network consensus rules. Select a proposal to review. Cast your vote by selecting yes or no, then click Vote. Confirm your voting decision. Finish off with a signature request. And that's it.